back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Okay, you guys, so I am here with something different. But I'm kind of here for it. I love it. I like that it's something different because it's something different. Okay, so today's video sponsor is Dreadology, and they are a dreadlock. They really specialize in like dreadlocks. So like if you're like on your dread journey or your lock journey rather, they have a lot of pieces on their site to aid you on that road. They have a lot of extensions and hair pieces, and they also have a wig section. I have their 36-inch lace wig, and you guys, the detail on this is really nice. They said that their units are hand knitted, and yeah, the detail in this is really nice. As you see, I have a couple cornrows. I did some close-ups and they look really natural. They have HD lace, and we are loving that. I'm so happy I didn't have to cut out no double lace. I love that this just comes straight out of the box, and as y'all saw, I installed this straight out of the box, so you don't have to do any work with this unit. Just literally cut the lace. I'm chocolate, so I always have to, for the most part, tint my lace. So I tinted my lace with my lace spray, and I just put her on. That was it. That was it. Y'all saw, really easy, very beginner friendly, and it's really giving like natural. Like it looks really nice, really nice. This is so different from me. I never had braids this like this jumbo, and I never had this. Like this is giving me like 90s type vibes, and I think I could dig it. I think I can dig it. I like her. I like her. She is definitely giving me like summer though. She giving me like summer type vibes. So yeah, I really like her. I really like her. I like the quality of it, like the feel of it. It feels really different from the other braided units I reviewed. Theirs feel like braid hair, like how Kankalan braid hair feels. That's what this feels like. I can't really explain it, but it just has, it's something about the texture of this. The texture caught my attention, so I'm mentioning it. Okay, it's 36 inches, y'all, but it's so long. I feel like this is a little longer than 36 inches, but y'all, that's not a bad thing. That's more hair for the money. Okay, like we're not knocking it. I love it. Like I love it. I love long braids. I feel like you see the beauty and the style and in the braid when they're long versus when they're just from your forehead to your ear. I just feel like length when it comes to braids is just beauty. I just feel like it's just beauty, just black beauty. I love it. I really love it. I love the naturalness of that braid too. See how it's like skinny, like how our natural hair would be. It would start off skinny and then get thicker as it's going up our head. Like I like the attention to detail with this unit. I still appreciate having these baby hairs because it's still giving just like a natural type of feel to it, and it's still giving me comfort. Like if the wind blew or if my jacket caught a piece of something, you're not going to be looking at the harshness of these braided wigs like that, the lines of them. You're not going to be looking at that. You'll just be looking at hairs. So I appreciate having the 360 baby hairs. You have 360 lace around here and 360 baby hairs. This is just really well constructed and well thought out. I really love it. I feel like if they did have like a wig that was like how I normally kind of like review on my channel, those styles, it would be so pretty and natural feeling. Like I really feel like you guys would really love that if they had like an individual just like braided, hanging braided like box braids or locks or something like that. And actually they should come out with that because they really specialize in like them locks and, you know, just that whole dread type, you know. Y'all gotta go on their site and check them out. It's a really dope site. I really like it. But if they came out with HD braided wigs and some locks and some box braids, hit me back up because I love the construction of their unit. It is just so for us. I really, really like it. I like the construction and I like the quality of it. I think you guys would too. Yeah, we're not gonna do no styling in this. I typically would do styling, but I just feel like this is just how this goes. This is just meant to be down and just down. You just got your jumbo braids, you got your little cornrows, and you're done. Like, your hair is just already styled. You don't have to overthink hairstyles or anything like that. Like, you're just done. So I really like this. I think you guys would too. Check their site out. Yeah, all the links and everything will be in the description box down below. I want to thank Dreadology for sponsoring this video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.